How to replace the mechanical seal of a water pump. The first thing we will do with the help of a socket wrench is remove the pump body. Once the pump is open, we remove the pump gasket and the gasket around the diffuser. Then, we proceed to remove the diffuser. To remove the impeller, we use a wrench on the back of the pump, removing its cover and blocking the shaft so it doesn't move. This will help us leverage and pull the impeller out. Once we remove the impeller, we'll find the rotating face of the mechanical seal and carefully remove it. To extract the stationary face of the mechanical seal, we'll need tools to remove the screws holding the motor support. We place the pump in a vertical position, then remove the motor, leaving the support loose. By applying pressure here with a screwdriver, the stationary seal will be pushed out. Now we are ready to install the new mechanical seal. We reassemble the pump with its motor. We make sure everything is properly tightened. Then, we place the water pump in a stable position. Before placing the stationary seal, we add a layer of water or isopropyl alcohol. Next, we insert it and, with the help of a tool, apply pressure to push it into place. We place the rotating face of the mechanical seal and apply pressure again. Next, we place the impeller back in. When doing this, don't forget to use a wrench on the back to leverage and adjust the impeller correctly. We place the diffuser back with its screws and tighten them, making sure the impeller spins without touching the diffuser. Then, we proceed to place the gasket around the diffuser and the pump gasket. We close the pump and tighten its body. We remove the wrench from the back of the pump and close the back opening with its original cover. We ensure the 4 screws are properly tightened with the socket wrench. And we're done. We have successfully replaced the mechanical seal on our water pump. If this information was helpful, react, comment, and share our video. If you'd like more information about our pumps, visit pearlwatersystems.com.